Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
Alright, this is the easiest way I found how to make a short without having to do the damn thing on your phone. Well, you can do it on your phone, but if you're doing blocks of videos like I've just done 30 of them, you ain't got time to sit there and do each one. So here's the quickest way that I figured out how to do it. You open CapCut. If you use the VSDC, you're going to be forever. Believe me, this is the quickest way I found, and CapCut's free for now. You open CapCut, and I'm on this one here, so you throw that over there, and you do that. Alright, the next band. Okay, I already know that, so I'm just going to move it. You can put it anywhere you want. I like to do like 50 seconds because it seems to have worked best for me, doing a different little things. Then you go right up here. You got split. You got split left. You got split delete right. Since I'm using that, I'm going to delete right. Come on. There we go. And you notice, see, it's 58 seconds where I want it. Hit that right there. And then you hit export. And if you noticed here, I got 6 of them that I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, because I've already done this, I will open up my folder where the CapCut is, and CapCut labels them for you. See, I've done 14 of them, and you just pay attention to how it goes, because see, it's got the 13th and the 14th. The next one will be 15, and I'll do all that. And I've already have all these other labeled already, so all I got to do is go back to this and switch from right click here. I'll use it. Yep. Right click. Copy. Lazy way. Paste. But it won't let me do it. Oh, it let me. Well, shit. Normally don't let you. I guess you got to get so many down to do it. Because I know if you're just doing 1 or 2, you have to X out of it every time. Carpet stone. So, there you go. It's pretty simple. It's only taken me 4 days to figure it out. Because I've done so many. I think I've done 100 videos in 4 days. Something like that. Ballpark at least. If not more. And it's crash course because I'm switching between the one video thing I just told you about, VS something whatever, and CapCut, between the two, because I've learned different things between them that seems to work. So there you go. That's how you make a short on your computer in CapCut.